everyone, Lice Lady here. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for our latest and greatest up-to-date videos. So today we're going to talk a little bit about our active rinse. This is kind of what I call liquid gold. It helps to kill 100% of the bugs. There's really not a product on the market like it, so this is one of my absolute favorite products. It kills, like I said, 100% of the bugs. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let's get started. So here we have our petri dish with some lice in it, and then we have our bottle of active rinse. Here's our big bottle. Here's just a little small sample size that I'm going to use. So what I want to make sure is I want to shake it up really good, make sure that all the ingredients are all mixed up. And then we're going to go ahead and pour everything into the petri dish. Okay, here we go. Some thick jazz. So again, this product is non-toxic and it smells like mint. So it doesn't have an unpleasant smell to it. So with this product, we recommend that you leave it in for 20 minutes. You can leave it in for longer, but not shorter than 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and leave it in for 20 minutes. So the lice have been sitting in the oil for about 20 minutes, and so we're gonna go ahead and take them out and see if they're alive or dead. I'm getting good at this. Oh jeez. Oh, I had it. So as you can see, all the bugs are completely dead. This product is safe to use. There's no pesticides or any types of chemicals in this, and it actually works. To me, not a toss-up. Put chemicals on your head or something with no chemicals. This is a product that we do recommend using. If you want to buy this product, click the link in the description below to go ahead and pick it up. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. If not, have a lice-free and happy day.